Good afternoon, my dear students. So today is 26 October. I am studying October and you will be happy to have your English October. Ninatra Singi Matung in Adana when the coaches put a Satanaga told you the car. Masa Sing Maruena, Pamasa Sing the Yamkana, Sakola, I have a surrounding eye, Yamkana wait the car. But adu kedore mostly nipi masa singti as ima babai matung imagi matung inba babai matung inba haidana ka harau dana ningon zakwa adu kuisalaktrabani but adu kedore like habasisu maruni ka December November la de kedore you will be having your exam for the school exam la ani dengarangi meeting da kay kumba khara haina basulay ramani ka akoi budi yaw dare ojasing yam mane yaw class master de hana yaw dong man de ka adu parenga haina gi basing du ngak nabangam na bu hana sika abeta bada November dagi class offline class hobagi ami habetai adu nakoi sungai re akoi gi damakta wairagati it will be best ka phagatoini aduna high school na lawrai ba activities sing na traga thabu thorom sing do please cooperate ka apply kitang tawbiyo akoi na ka adu matam sana school da lang na ba khon na ba ona na sika senga ngarang akoi na angle khara yek pa hawre na tranira lebi na traga hawre ka the hogi bidai makha ta boy na ngarang akoi na ke do ba 60 degree yek pa hawre lem hori be angle khara lem hawi stam standard we be angle da ka 30 degree gumba 90 gumba then 45 gumba 120 gumba they 150 gana khar leiga hai masing do tamna ikoina sum wakana sagalaga 160 bo hai gita gadi lem hori basing du ke dawre tamna sum loina khanga ka takai khai do ta bra matra tinjala tarak bra motor pa ha sum yenga to ini ka ana adi potak sing do tamna si yeng senga adu ngai makha ta koina yengo garangi da loina khangre ka uta di nga Now you look at our point now, some standard angle that let's take 30 low sika. Some standard angle low give with the grand low sika. Today we'll be discussing number 2 the 30 degree lani. And then ka 30 degree say queen and with the angle bisector ekota murenatra. Angle bisector je koi kamai ye hai ki we have already discussed, you also have done it. Koi su ta murenatra. The angle 60 from the 60 to give when a bisect ragadi, how much will be getting 60 and Kaidiki no 30 natra 60 to give bisect of Matanda when angle Kiafangani will be getting angle 30 Pangakaneva. And they got the name 30 is a command academy and singa the requirements to construct an angle of 30 degree. Yari ko sa. Adi nga. Ahamada ngarang tawgiba da mayna sa manana 60 gi akoy siyang nga. Silay naman layre. Suppose na true mani hayro. Yari ko sa. OA have a ray malay natra. Then other Matundemo, Narang Yekiba, 60 degree Kamayaki, Equina, Kampaski, Arabazilauraga, on a center with Helaga, non angle amators my Yakira. I thought the na, Stake Dore, the angle of my Yelani. Ama, she points to the Kayakalasi. Be the Kaleka. To the submanana, B is no center where any, I don't get Dore, 60 Yaki, the my 60 is straight there. Itang sang to all of us minor. Sister Canano, when seeing color. And I got be the real Nicosia with the key when I love Silogi the scale of the some of us is my yellow color. They will look at with the same angle, not with the same radius. We draw another arc, some yelani, look at our sex, the colani. And I got to the C point you can know that is point D. D is something that gives you how much it will be? It will be angle 30 with it. This is the line which make an angle of 30 degree with the nika. So do you stable construction thara se no. So number 1 we draw a ray amana OA. Number 2 with the center O we draw an arc of any radius. To intersect, to cut, intersect, I don't know, OA say at B the curly. And I got that. And I got the Brasiba. Tarika. Then I do Matunga Ketawe Koina, Amuk business center where step number 3 with B as a center. We draw second arc. When I need to buy arc, to intersect the first arc at C with the same radius. Radius is a manika. Say long give a duga. Now, what's that? At the young get again, see the cagle, at the C shake, and the Rabbi Coinabo. C is now center with center C. We draw the third arc to intersect the second arc. Try the at D. We join anano OD. And again, number 6 angle DOA is the 30 degree. Baila Katinika. And our set Anganika Yinga Sinjalosima Yanika set 33 Yakpa Hydra to there. Hyranika conception at the stationary say angle bisector to Nika. The Gaquina, the line is the 60 Fangrasa, 60 this Tagit and Kadika Yanriakpa, State and Kadika Yanriako to each Manaka. You want the next angle 90 we are here now. Number 120 100 machine of God. 120 the line is like conditions in there. So, angle का नाम है 120. 120 जो समान नहीं है ना साइज वाला का नहीं है कि बता स्पॉन द लोअर पर हाई 60 में प्लस तक चला पोका ना साइज तो ना 30 एंगल 60 तो की बाइसेक्टर तो ऊपर ना था हम तो उन्हें कहते होते हैं ना सर एंगल 60 में स्पॉन निकाला कर दो का ये ना सीरियल में ले लेंगे साइज समान है ना yang terbesar stake orang ni point radius lawan manswan ILS mai toroga ILS natra si point si kanano B ni B dagi mu si dagi si kakle si point kanano sa C le si 60 le natra 60 to sugum ba maswa nom tin jala pai tar ni C ro sa kan tam sa si D ka yang darba do D siga C siga samjana gi do से so angle DOA से क्या ताते बा 120 तार का दे निका अंदर को से सिगी स्टेबल कंस्ट्रक्शन एरिया से ना so first के दौरे we draw array OA अंदर का then number 2 के दौरे बा with the center O we draw the first arc to intersect OA and B. Line number 3 then get over with B as a center. We draw with the center B. We draw the second arc to intersect the first arc at C. To intersect the first arc at C. Then number 4 then get already with the center C. We draw the third arc the second arc right at D. Number 5 together we join after that we draw banana OD another that only number 6 the OD and angle DOA is the required angle, that is angle DOA will be equal to 120 degrees. Semana ni ka, yang tahu berapa? Yang ni ka, kasi mo sinjalo yang ma. Yang apa sih ma? Next, let's draw angle 90 ka. 90 mo yang siang oh. Angle 90 एक बार गिद्दी कोई न method अनी लेगा so we have two methods अनी ले so let's discuss the first method यहाँ अभी ना जान तांगा मेरे को मसी सुबह तारीखा चेतुने यहाँ first method से दी हम line you say the OA have a layer OA Sidina angle 90 actually Nebuka and the OA set was the Kitang Sanakanunda level side on the Kitang Santoro. It's the first step Nika. So you can understand, suppose this is point B in then other Matung Dakadore, Sina point angle O angle Kia where angle 190 where Oidra. She said 190 where Oidra. The angle 190 with that different angle 190 in a bisect already how much will be getting Dina kya phang ni 190 ai tong to ga ra di 90 phang wai dra aduna 90 du concept la tu ni ka dune nga was the center where the compass to ni balor ka ini ka do ni sa gi ye ba line ni se ato ga sa na si ka na ba sa na line na ma ye le ha ba kale point ka na ka na sa si ga ti ge ka en kalos yan da ba sa adagi mu ye nga we cheese na to ga di na center where ga ko na perpendicular ye ko da ka sidagi tang khai kai hela lo aduga sidagi amu ye lo sa na sidagi so amu ye lo so si ka na lo yan da ba si point ka na sa this is point E ni ha lo aduga o ga I ga samjan na ro what's that? What's the angle कैसे में? That will be angle 90. And that what's that? Anh cả, xem hả? Suki style construction is xem hả? So number 1 the Anano OA I from Namika. Number 2 the Kedore we produce AO 2 karay the no CP walked up. And Daraka. Adavidi number 3 the Kedore with O as a center we draw an arc. Kedogiba intersecting Anano BA at C and D. They said number 4 the with the center C and D. With center C and D. With radius more than half of Canagino CT. We draw 2 arcs intersecting each other I the Kagnalaba and E the Kagnale. And then number 5 we draw OE. Number 6 the Canale angle EOD. And EOA is the required angle. That is now angle EOA, that is 90 degree. And that was it. I hope we can see 190 is na hana gileran the nika, now na yellow question angle 90 is nika. So casing was in Jalayanga. Like tang sangiga reflection, I did not make it and tare board to that. Yani ko titika sa second method na hiyang tawrase ka masigidi first method sida to asika o sela jigo dia senga yum da phajana ari par ga layuka kuisa sekano aji selaina se amuk lakpaki phibam amuk su tai ka duduna sexual yum da lay matamda kuisa sekano ngaba kuna san sai na thau phajana tawra ga layuka yadra tude. Okay then, see you all in the next class. Stay safe at home. Okay, bye bye.